Hello, Namaste, welcome back to WinTrader. In this today's live video, I am going to show you the performance of Bajaj Auto future chart, and the time frame is 5 minutes. This is intraday chart, and you can see this 3507.60, that is the real-time market value of Bajaj Auto. There is no delay in the data. We are using real-time tick-by-tick data, and our software support all major financial market like MCX, NSE cash, future options, currencies, agri, COMEX and forex, and you can use it for scalping trading, intraday trading, long-term and short-term trading, and for investing purpose also you can use our software. How to use the software and what are the features, we are giving a training session for our customers. Means normal process is, if you are interested to purchase the software, we will install the software in your system within 10 minutes. Our technical person log into your system through AnyDesk or TeamViewer or the desktop sharing software like TeamViewer or AnyDesk. We'll log into your system and install the software within 10 minutes, and after that we'll log into your system and give you detailed training how to use the system and how to add the symbols. It's very simple. First time you have to add the symbols, and it's all automatically saved in your system. So we give you you will get one training session. After that, if there is any doubt or if you need any technical support, you can directly contact me. Right now I'm giving a live video and give live session. This is a live section, and if you are interested to check the live demo by yourself, you can directly contact me. My name is Ganga, and you can contact me through WhatsApp or direct call. My number is also displayed in the on the below window, and also you can visit our website. So I will show you today's performance of Bajaj Auto. It's a future chart, and current market price is 3508, and this red down arrow is a sell signal, and green up arrow is the buy signal. So these are the automatic signals. So whenever software generated buy or sell signal, at the same time there is a pop-up message will display in your screen with a sound effect. In that alert message you will get the entry point, at what level you have to buy and what level you have to sell. In that alert message you will get the entry point. The same details also you can check it in the above dashboard. In Bajaj Auto we got a sell signal at 3539.15, and the time is 10, and as per current market we are in profit of 29 points, and in the status you can check all target has been achieved. So you can see we are already get that re-entry, the re-entry target also achieved. So as I told, software gives automatic signals, so we don't need to take all the signal. First you have to check the confirmation of the signal. For checking the confirmation is very simple. If it is a sell signal, for the first and main confirmation, first the arrow will come. After that you have to check the confirmation. If it is sell signal, then first confirmation it will display here like price in sell zone. That is the first and main confirmation. After that, second confirmation, below the arrow you can see there is a bar is here, that is our confirmation bar. The bar should be in the same color of the signal. If it is sell signal, then the bar should be in red color. So if it is not confirmed at that level, if it is giving a confirmation after 1 or 2 candles, you can take a position with that level. You can enter with the market level. So you have to wait for the 2 confirmation. First the arrow will come, and after that if it's a sell signal, then the price should be in sell zone, and the bar on below bar, on below this arrow there is a bar is here, the bar should be in the same color of signal. If it is sell signal, then bar should be in red color. So it's following this software is very simple, and there is no prediction. It's working in the real time data, and whatever the market trend, the same you can see in our software. And our software support all major financial market. You can use it for our software support MCX, NSE cash, future option, currencies, agri, COMEX and forex, and it's all working with the real-time data. And you can see this blue stars are here, that is a support level of the market, and red stars, that is a resistance level of the market. So currently we got a sell at this morning we got a sell at 3539.15, and as per that signal all target has been achieved, and the software gives a re-entry at 3516.35 around 11:55. Time is 11:55. That target also achieved. Currently same signal is continuing, same trend is continuing, and if currently there is one candle is forming now, if it is break the support level, currently the support is 3500 2.60. Current, you can see that you can check the current market rate. Market rate is 3,510. So our support level is 3,502. If it is break that support level, then market definitely will go down again. And you can see the normal candles colors are red and green. So apart from these two colors, you can see some different multi colors are there, like orange colors, light blue, MD candles and white candle. Normal colors are red and green. Apart from, there are some multi colors will form, that is indicating the sideways market. If it is market is going sideways, then automatically software will change the colors of the candles. So our software is very simple. It gives a direct signal, a re-entry signal, and if the sudden reversal is there, trend reversal is there, that also you can check it. That time also software gives indication through that alert message, and resistance support level also display in the chart, and support all major financial market and support all type of trading. And following a software is very simple, and we are giving a training session also, and I'm giving a live demonstration. If you are interested to know more about our software, or if you are interested to purchase a software, you can directly contact me. My name is Ganga. My number is displayed in the below dashboard, and you can check our reviews page also in website, our official website. You can check our website www.wintradersoft.com, and thank you for watching my video.